Hi, this is Professor Ruggiero Moreno with a review of Module 2. You should always follow the to-do list step by step. Module 2 focuses on one chapter, Chapter 3. And the reason it does is because Chapter 3 is a very, very important chapter with a lot of work. The first thing you're going to be doing is learning and understanding in Learning Objective 1 how accounts are affected by analyzing a transaction. It's critical to be sure you spend enough time on step 1 because these 8 pages might just be a small piece of the book, but they're a large part of your understanding. Okay. If you can understand how to analyze transactions, then the rest of this chapter will make sense. So please do yourself a favor, even though you only have 2 weeks to do everything, just one chapter, spend several hours understanding Objective 1. Okay. Once you have learned how to analyze transactions, then you're going to understand what an account looks like. An account, as you'll learn, has two sides, a left side and a right side. We just call them by their proper names. The left side is a debit side. The right side of an account is a credit side. It's important to know we use these terms over and over and over again throughout accounting, not just in this course, but in your next accounting class as well. So spend some time getting to learn that. Once you've understood that, you're actually ready to do accounting. Objective 3 introduces you to the journal. That's the first place accounting happens in real life. However, prior for it to happen, look how much you had to understand before we can actually do it. So you learn about the journal in Objective 3. The numbers travel from the journal to the ledger. Objective 4 takes a look at what's called the general ledger and the numbers that travel from the journal into the ledger. The ledger is a very large and important book, as is the journal, because it has all the balances in every account the company is maintaining. So to make sure all those balances are indeed balanced, Chapter 3 introduces you to something called a trial balance, which is making sure that the ledger is balanced. You need to understand that this is a tough chapter. I've included a tutorial at the end strictly as a watch and learn type of tutorial for chapter 3. You need to do this before you do the chapter 3 review homework and certainly before you do the test. Again, if you have any questions, please email me. You can also look at my spring office hours and set up a time. All right. I hope you're well. Take care.